How to add your Presto card to Apple Wallet. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can add your Presto card to Apple Wallet or convert your Presto card to Apple Wallet. So to do that, first of all, open up the Presto app on your mobile device. And once you've done that, make sure you are logged into your Presto account. Now once you're logged in, simply tap on the card which you'd like to add to your Apple Wallet. Simply tap on it. After that, you can see the option Presto in Apple Wallet. Presto in Apple Wallet lets you tap your iPhone or Apple Watch for travel with real-time updates. So simply tap on the option Convert to Apple Wallet. And now you can simply view all of these details right over here. After that, tap on the option Convert to Apple Wallet. And then once you do this, remember that your physical Presto card will no longer work once it's converted to Apple Wallet. So once you're okay with this, tap on the option Continue. Now you need your physical Presto card in order to do this. So simply take your physical Presto card and then put it to the back side of your phone and then tap on the option Start. After that, it will scan your Presto card. And once you've done that, as you can see, your card has been converted to Apple Wallet. Now tap on the option Add to Apple Wallet. Now tap on the option Next on the top right corner of your screen. After that, Agree. And there you have it. So that is basically how you add your Presto card to your Apple Wallet. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys. And if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.